Welcome everyone. So in this video we're going to make this guy pop out from this picture. So first of all, let's go to select, choose subject. This selects the subject. In our case, this guy who is flying in the sky. So we have selected the subject, but we have a little bit to refine. So let's go to this polygonal lasso tool, hold the shift key and select around this area, and again there is a little bit of left area, so hold the shift key and then this okay. So we have selected the subject, so now we will press Ctrl and J. It'll duplicate the subject. Okay, so now again click on the original picture layer and then zoom out a little bit, and we'll go to pen tool and we'll keep it to path. Okay, not shape, we'll keep it on path, and we'll make our own frame. Okay, you can make any kind of frame or shape, whatever you like. Okay, this is not the tutorial to use how to use pen tool, so you can use pen tool or any other tool to create a kind of shape, and then right click and make selection. Click OK. Now go to add layer mask. Okay, so this is the thing, this frame we have created. We can see that on this subject layer we have selected a little bit of extra things, so we go to eraser tool and delete this part. We don't need that. Again to the original picture layer and double click, choose stroke. Okay, so we have created a stroke around the frame or picture, whatever you call it. Okay, and then we can also create a drop shadow here, and we can increase the distance and angle. Okay, and we can spread it. We can increase the size. Okay, so that's how we have created this pop out effect. You can change the background if you want, but I think this looks okay. What you can do is you can choose another color and create a new layer, and then go to this gradient tool and then do this. Okay, so now it looks a little bit more like 3D. So this is how you do it. You can also add shadow to this picture, this pop out picture, but right now I think it's good enough. Let's try if it works on bevel and emboss. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if there's anything. Okay. So yeah, it's not looking that nice. So we're gonna leave it here. Okay, so this is how we have created this effect on in Photoshop. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.